Need help visualizing your data? Gain a more comprehensive picture of your marketing performance with a holistic, customizable report that showcases your success across each marketing channel. Learn how to leverage dashboards and keep track of what's driving your best performance so that you can adapt and thrive. Let's take a look. In the Analytics section of your Klaviyo account, locate the Dashboards tab. Every account in Klaviyo will have a pre-built overview dashboard with a set of cards that provide an overview of your performance. Your dashboard will show information of your conversions, engagement, and deliverability by channel in each of these cards. To customize this or other dashboards, add or remove cards. Then, all dashboards you create will be found within the main Dashboards tab. Let's take a closer look at the Overview dashboard specifically. At the top of the Overview dashboard, you can adjust the date range of your data, your selected conversion metric, and the comparison period. Below the top of your dashboard, you'll see the default data and performance cards. These cards represent different ways to view your conversions, revenue, and success metrics across your account. By default, your dashboards will contain the following cards. The Conversion Summary card provides a high-level view of your flows and campaigns and the conversions attributed to each. The Campaign Performance card helps you monitor overall campaign health with a focus on opens, clicks, and your conversion metric. You can filter this view to focus on data for a specific campaign as well. The Campaign Performance Detail card helps you dive into the individual performance of each of your campaigns with a view that includes delivery, engagement, and conversion data. Here you'll see a table of the recently sent campaigns within your chosen date range. The Flows Performance card helps you dive into individual flow performance by engagement and conversions. You can see flow opens, clicks, and conversions by specific channels. The Flows Performance Details card dives into the individual performance of each of your flows with a view that includes delivery, engagement, and conversion data. Here you can see an alphabetical table of all flows sent within your chosen date range. The Performance Highlights card provides a view of your top and bottom performing metrics to help you choose where to invest your marketing efforts as you adjust your strategy over time. If you use email as a channel, you'll also see the Email Deliverability card, where you can monitor deliverability and spot any issue related to your sender reputation. Review your bounce, spam, and unsubscribe percentage rates over your chosen date range. In addition to these default cards, you can add more cards to supplement your insights in the Data View library. These additional cards include an email or SMS funnel summary review from your deliverability to placed order, conversions by channel, flows performance deliverability, and delivery success by domain. Adding and removing cards allows you to customize your default dashboard as well as other dashboards you create. To remove a card, simply click the three dots in the top right of the card and select Remove Data View. To add a card, click Add Card in the top right of your dashboard. From here, you can explore the Data View library and select the card that best fits your business need. The library has a wide variety of pre-built cards to choose from tailored to common business needs. However, if you prefer a blank slate to work with, you can build one from scratch. Simply select one you want to add and then click Add Data View. In addition to the pre-built Overview dashboard, every account in Klaviyo has access to the Business Review dashboard. The Business Review dashboard creates a summary of insights into your performance across specific channels and how they contribute to your overall success. This view-only dashboard comes with standardized cards that will update as you customize the time frame, conversion metric, and comparison period. The Growth Overview card provides a summary of your conversion performance with the ability to hone in on performance by message and channel. The Campaign Performance Summary card provides a summary of your revenue by channel with the ability to hone in on performance metrics, such as open rate, click rate, and average order value. You can also review recently sent campaigns and their individual performance metrics. The Flow Performance Summary card provides a summary of your revenue by channel with the ability to hone in on performance metrics such as open rate, click rate, and average order value. You can also review recently sent flows and their individual performance metrics. The Deliverability card provides a view of your deliverability across email, SMS, and push channels. Additionally, you can review metrics that may impact your deliverability, for example, bounce rate. These insights help you to see where you may need to invest efforts or address issues affecting your deliverability. There are many ways to configure dashboards to fit your needs. Start by exploring the Overview dashboard, and once you get used to it, experiment with ways to customize this view or analyze data in new custom dashboards.